Imagine being able to create a complete, professional quality storybook in just 1 minute. No long hours of writing drafts, no hiring expensive illustrators, and no waiting months for a finished product. Sounds unreal? Well, that's exactly what Google Gemini now makes possible. And today, I'm going to show you how. Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're diving into Google Gemini's powerful new ability to generate fully illustrated storybooks instantly and for free. This tool isn't just spitting out words on a page, it's building rich, engaging stories with vivid illustrations, consistent characters, and even narration that feels like it came from a professional audiobook. Think about it. Traditionally, creating a storybook required multiple people: an author, an illustrator, an editor, maybe even a publisher, and months of back and forth. Not to mention, the cost could run into hundreds or even thousands of dollars. But with Gemini, all of that is reduced to a simple prompt. You type your idea, press enter, and watch as your story comes alive in seconds. Whether you want to publish, share with friends and family, or simply explore your creative side, this tool is a total game changer. Stick with me, and I'll guide you step by step on how to create your very own viral storybook in just 60 seconds. When you open Gemini on the web, the very first thing that stands out is how much the interface has evolved. It feels sleek, modern, and inviting, and right at the heart of it sits the new chat prompt bar. This is now the central hub where everything begins. Around it, you will also notice quick access tools that allow you to create videos, conduct research with ease, generate stunning images, and even explore guided learning prompts tailored to help you get the most out of Gemini. But while all of these features are fascinating, the real gem we are here to explore today is something even more magical: Storybook. Accessing Storybook is surprisingly simple, and that is part of its brilliance. All you need to do is type the phrase "create a storybook about," followed by the subject or theme you want to explore. That is it. Gemini takes care of the rest. You can also access it by clicking on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of the screen. To demonstrate how effortless this process is, let's begin with an example that is simple yet meaningful. The request would go like this: using an anime art style, create a storybook for my brother Akito, who just moved out of my parents' house and has to learn to be an adult now that he's in college. The moment you hit enter, Gemini immediately begins weaving its magic. Within seconds, it drafts an engaging story, then automatically generates custom illustrations that match the tone and characters of the narrative. The entire process is completed in under 1 minute, which is astonishing when you consider the complexity of what is happening behind the scenes. What you receive at the end feels nothing short of extraordinary. A complete 10-page children's book is presented, complete with a beautifully designed cover that proudly lists your name as the author, pulled directly from your Google profile. Inside, the story unfolds naturally, following logical character development and maintaining consistent themes throughout. Now let's take a closer look at the technical details that make this tool so remarkable. One of the most impressive features is how the AI maintains character consistency throughout the pages. While it is not absolutely flawless, considering that the entire book is generated in less than 60 seconds, these small imperfections are easy to overlook. The result still feels polished and professional. Reading through your storybook is a delightful experience in itself. You can navigate page by page using the arrow buttons, flip through the book just by clicking directly on it, or switch into full screen mode for a more immersive view. The interface feels like something you would expect from a professional digital reading app rather than an experimental AI project. And the excitement does not stop there. Once your storybook is finished, it is not limited to being viewed on screen. Gemini gives you the option to share your book through a unique public link, which means anyone can enjoy it, even if they do not have access to Gemini. You can also share it directly to social media platforms to reach a wider audience, or take it a step further, and print it out as a physical book. Think about that for a moment. Within minutes of having an idea, you could hold a real book in your hands, one with your name on the cover, making you a published author almost instantly. And to make things even more powerful, every single storybook comes with a built-in read-aloud feature. This transforms your book into an experience that feels as if it has been narrated by a professional voice actor, adding depth and warmth to the storytelling. With Gemini Storybook, the magic doesn't end once the illustrations are complete. By simply clicking the listen button, your book transforms into a fully immersive audiobook experience. The narration feels as if it has been recorded in a professional studio, carrying a warmth and clarity that brings the story to life. Imagine listening to a passage like this.
Akito stood in his new, empty apartment, a single box clutched in his arms. The silence was louder than he expected, a vast, open space, waiting to be filled with his own life. College was starting soon, and so was his journey into adulthood. The first few days were a whirlwind of unpacking, figuring out how to use the washing machine, and attempting to cook something beyond instant noodles. His mom's voice, usually a comforting hum in the background, was now just a memory. One evening, after a particular and a very burnt pan,
Hearing lines like that read aloud, while the pages automatically turn, creates a moment that rivals commercial children's audiobooks you would normally purchase. You are not just limited to listening, either. Gemini allows you to adjust the pitch of the narration, restart the story from the beginning, or toggle a full-screen listening mode for an even more engaging experience. You can even take a playful approach. For instance, I like cat and dog stories, so I asked Gemini to create a coloring storybook for me on that. The outcome was both hilarious and heartwarming. To make it even more interactive, you could print the storybook and let children color the illustrations themselves, turning it into both a creative activity and a personal keepsake. Of course, no system is flawless. Sometimes Gemini might misinterpret your prompt or produce illustrations that do not perfectly align with your vision. Currently, there is no option to edit a specific page of an existing book. If you want changes, you'll need to regenerate the entire story with an updated prompt. Thankfully, every version remains stored in your chat history, so you never lose earlier creations. These limitations are relatively minor when compared to the extraordinary potential of this tool. Think about the countless applications. Parents can design personalized bedtime stories that feature their children as the main characters. Teachers can create tailored educational material that fits perfectly into their lesson plans. Small businesses can design unique marketing books or customer appreciation gifts. The possibilities extend endlessly. Birthday books, anniversary tributes, travel journals, job application supplements, commercial children's books for publication, and so much more. What excites me most about Gemini Storybook is how it removes the barriers that once made professional quality storytelling difficult or expensive. You don't need to be an artist, a writer, or a publisher. You just need your creativity and your vision, because Gemini handles all of the technical aspects. The feature is already available to all Gemini users over the age of 18 for free, and it is in the process of rolling out to mobile devices. It supports every language that Gemini can process, which makes it truly global. This means we are on the edge of an explosion of diverse storytelling, as people from different cultures begin using this tool to share their voices and experiences. What does all this mean for the future of creative work? It marks the beginning of a fundamental shift. Tools that once required teams of professionals and large budgets are now available to everyone with a simple prompt. Human creativity isn't being replaced, it is being amplified. Your imagination, your personal experiences, and your storytelling vision are now the most important ingredients, because the barriers that once stood in your way have been completely removed. Your only limit is your imagination. Whether you decide to make gifts for loved ones, educational materials for your community, or even commercial products, Gemini Storybook puts those dreams within reach. I am genuinely curious to see what stories you will create with this technology. Share your ideas in the comments below, and let's celebrate this new chapter of storytelling together.